Hello friends, today we are going to discuss first PUC paper 1 English. First of all, we'll understand the blueprint, okay. Based on the syllabus itself, if we take, what are the important question is, see, for 1 mark and 4 mark Gentleman of the Jungle, 1 mark and 4 mark The Schoolboy, and Oru Manushan 1 mark and 4 mark. And then we have Babar Ali, which is important for 1 mark plus 4 mark plus 6 marks. If I Was a Tree, 1 mark plus 4 mark plus 6 marks. And Watchman of the Lake, 1 mark plus 4 mark plus 6 marks. It means what you need to study for 6 marks is Babar Ali, If I Was a Tree, and Watchman of the Lake. For the 4 marks, you have to study all the chapters. Okay, and we'll go through with the grammar part also one by one. So let's discuss the first question here. Name one of the members appointed to the Commission of Enquiry in the Gentleman of the Jungle. It is Mr. Rhinoceros. Mention one of the things that the speaker would like to do on the summer morning in The Schoolboy. So he would like to sing with the skylark on a summer morning. When according to the native, so it is not there in the syllabus. So how far was the big city? It was some 1500 miles away from his hometown. And after that we don't have Money Madness. How old was Babar Ali? Okay, when he actually started his school, he was just 9 years old. And after that, where according to Mara and Hanuman found Sanjeevani in the Watchman of the Lake. So it is, the goddess had instructed Mara to tell his king to build a tank and not to let Veda leave the village. She had asked him to give Veda a home. Okay, we have completed the 1 mark. Now let's discuss the 4 marks. Narrate the incident that led to the appointment of the Commission of Enquiry in the Gentleman of the Jungle. So the man was seeing what his friend the elephant had done to him, began to grumble. So the man was angry. So the animal in the nearby forest all gathered and all stood around listening to the heated argument between the man and the friend. The elephant in turmoil. So the lion, who is the king of the jungle, he came along roaring and asked, why there is no peace, why there is a disturbance in my kingdom. And he says that don't disturb the peace of my kingdom. How does the speaker dislike about the school? Okay, so the boy is a lover of nature and he loves to get up on a sunny morning and to listen to the birds singing, and he enjoys the company with the nature, with the hunter. And it is very difficult for him to go to school and to sit in one place. Why? Because a lot more of studying for hours and hours, it doesn't gives him any kind of a pleasure. Okay, so he loves to be with nature. He loves to spend time with nature, and he hates to be in front of the cruel teacher who keeps on staring to him. Okay, so that is what you need to write. After that, describe the embarrassing experience suffered by the narrator in Oru Manushan. So the narrator as usual came out at 4 p.m. He always skipped breakfast and lunch by sleeping so that he could not spend money on eating. So that is why at 4 p.m. in the evening he went to a hotel and he had a full meal of chapatis for 4 annas, okay, 11 annas. When he put his hand in his pocket and the pocket was missing, the pocket has been picked up. He told the owner his problem, but the owner said that you have to pay the money or else I'll gouge your eyes out. So the narrator offered to leave his coat and to remove all his clothes, and when he was about to remove and to become completely naked, on that time, meanwhile a person came and helped him. Okay, a stranger came forward to help him. That is what you need to write about the story in Oru Manushan. What qualities of Mara, the watchman, do you appreciate and why? So the headman calls Mara as a lunatic. He is certainly not one. He is a very innocent and a very soft hearted and a very pure kind of a person. Okay, so Through his sheer wit, earnestness, and honesty, he is able to convince his captor Bhima to release him from the cellar. Throughout the play, we get to see how responsible, conscious, sincere, and passionate Mara is. When Mara tells the king about his dream, the king definitely does not consider him as a lunatic at all. He believes to the Mara's dream, and he gave a place for Veda. He built a pool, a tank for Veda, and he performed a job of a watchman with great alertness and sincerity. He is very strict and carries on out his duties with pride. He does not allow any creature to get hurted. He does not allow any kid to kill any birds and animals. He allows every creature, man and animal, to drink water from the lake. So the visitor comes from the drought-hit village. Mara treats him kindly and agree to supply the water to the lake to the village. And Mara is also very prudent because he has the foresight to think of the security of his progeny. That is the reason he asked the king to give the job of the watchman only to the male progeny of the family and no one else. So he is noble hearted. He tells the goddess to defer her destruction so till he returns. So even he sacrifices his life so that the other people can live peacefully. So that is all about the Mara's quality. Mara's qualities is of sincerity. He sacrifices his own life for the benefiting others' life. So that is all about. And after that we don't have anything from here. And then we need to write about the 6 marks, Babar Ali and Mara, Watchman of the Lake, If I Was a Tree. So it is very, very important. All these 3 summaries is also very important. You have to know about Babar Ali's story, or else you have to write about Mara, or else you can write about it. If I Was a Tree. The poet here is telling that okay, after the summary, as I can't explain the summary in detail, I hope you have to go through with this in detail so that you may write it for 6 marks. At least 1.5 page or 1 to 2 page is compulsory one. Okay, so you have to go through with the concept of this, and it is very, very important. Anyone also, if you go through like Watchman of the Lake or Babar Ali or If I Was a Tree, it would be very helpful for you guys. Okay, now let's move on to the grammar part. So the passage will be given and you have to answer the passage. So you may read it out, the passage. Okay, now we'll go through with the questions. What are the 2 types of lies? So white lies and black lies. How does the author define a white lie? A white lie is a statement we make that is not in itself false but that leaves out a significant part of the truth. According to the author, what is common to both type of lies? Both are destructive and inexcusable. What is white lying more pernicious? It means dangerous than black lying. Since white lying is more difficult to detect and confront, and since it may seem less reprehensible, it is more pernicious than black lying. According to the passage, under what circumstances does a woman resort to white lie? So it is, so the answer is when the woman has used up all the money in the family bank, she may resort to lying. Okay, and when is white lie considered socially acceptable? So parents often feed their children white lies. This is not only considered acceptable, but it is thought to be loving and beneficent. Why does the author feel that our social relationships are superficial? White lying is considered socially acceptable in many of our relationships because we don't want to hurt people's feeling. Since no one impacts or touches the other person's lives deeply, our social relationships are superficial. So government withholding essential information from the public by censorship is dash. Add a prefix to the italicized word to make it like completely to make it a meaningful sentence. So democratic, undemocratic. Okay, we need to add a prefix, so that is why undemocratic. Write the expression which means injurious, damaging the in the paragraph. Pernicious. White lying is considered as socially acceptable in our relationship. Now fill in the blanks with appropriate articles and preposition given in bracket. I stayed in a small city. I made a living. I made a living teaching. Okay. English to migrant laborers. I worked from 9 in the morning to 9 at night. So this is the answer. Okay, you need to write the proper articles and pronunciation. By chance, any kind of a abbreviation is coming, MBA or U or egg like this kind, then you have to write an. Okay. M, because it is starting with EM, MBA, so that is why we need to write an. Egg, if it is coming European, we are telling it as Europe, U, so it will not come an, we'll write A or the. Okay, so that is the thing. Fill in the blanks with the suitable form of verb given in the bracket. It means that the noun should agree with the verb. Okay, you need to see singular noun will agree with the singular verb, plural noun will agree with the plural verb. So the commission met and the members were declared, or the members were declared that they have sufficient evidence from both sides. They announced their verdict. Having heard it, the man began to grumble. Okay, so that is the thing you need to write. Okay, after this, choose the correct form of the verb that agrees with the subject. Sorry, here it is. What you need to understand is that you need to write the proper verbs. So the commission met and the members declared that they heard or they had heard sufficient evidence. Everything you need to turn it into past tense. Declared, had, heard, and they announced their verdict, and the man began to grumble. Now here is the thing, that plural noun will agree with the plural verb. Here it is. Babar Ali lives with his 3 siblings and his parent in a thatched house which will not come, house which is the size of an average city kitchen. His school has around 800 students. Okay. After this, yes, Babar Ali lives with his 3 siblings. So Babar Ali, we have completed this. Babar Ali lives with his 3 siblings and his parents in a thatched house which is the size of an average city kitchen. His school has around 800 students. After this, correct the following sentences and rewrite them. My friend has found a new job. My friend has found a new job. I bought a new pair of pants. I bought a new pair of pants. Why? Because pants, a pair of pants. Okay, I have bought a new pair of pants. After that, you need to rewrite as directed. Mara chased the deer that started running. So this will be the answer. Babar Ali's example serves as an inspiration for all of us. By Mr. Stewart, she was hired. She was hired by Mr. Stewart. It was quite a big city. We need to add a question tag. Okay, so that what we need to do, that question tag means at the last we need to add wasn't it. Why? Because was it. So here question tag opposite of it. wasn't it? After that, the elephant thanked his friend. Change into question beginning with the right form of do. So how you need to write is do will become did. Did the elephant thank his friend? You need to add a question mark. Hanuman found Sanjeevani on the crest of the mountain. Frame a question so that to get underlined word as answer. So this should become the answer. What? So whenever it is there, that for frame a question, what, why, where, it will start. So what Hanuman found on the crest of the mountain? So the answer will be Hanuman found Sanjeevani on the crest of the mountain. After this, refer to the following TV schedule and answer the question set on it in one complete sentence. So here we have got some of the information. Based on this, we need to answer. Okay. Which channel would you watch to listen to music in afternoon? So which channel do we watch in afternoon? So it's Chandana, because light music. Okay. And after that, which of the channel telecast a program on the sea animals? Okay, on sea animals, river monster, deep into the sea. So it's Animal Planet. After this, we have a question. When can you see quiz program on Chandana? Let's check it out. 21:30. This time we get to watch quiz on the channel Chandana. The channel that telecasts Delhi news is NDTV. Write a letter to the coordinator, Learn English Institute, asking him about the English speaking course they offer. Your letter should include duration of the course, fees for the course, date of commencement, and this is the noted address. So here it is. This is the date, and place also you need to write. This is from address. You have to write XX and YY. XXX for the name, YYY for the address. This is the to address to the coordinator, Learn English Institute, and the given address. After that, salutation, dear sir. You may write subject also regarding seeking information regarding the English course, like that you may write a subject. After that, the body of the letter. I would like some information about the English speaking course that your institute offers beginning this August. I would like to know the following. What is the duration of the course, fees for the course, and date of commencement of the course. Please send me a prospectus and details accommodation available in Chennai for the period from August to December. Thank you. Your signature and name. So that is it. We have completed with the letter. Now here we have a matchup. Okay. So how do you do? How do you do? It is greeting. Could you please pass me the book? Requesting. You look stunning in this new clothes. Complimenting. Meet my friend Ratan. Introducing. Okay. I beg to differ on this point. Disagreeing. After this, we need to complete this dialogue. Neha. Hi Meera. Hello Neha. How are you? Meera. I'm fine, thank you. Neha. Hey, you're carrying too many bags. Shall I carry one for you? Meera. Yes, thank you. Neha. You're welcome. Which way should we go? This way. Please come with me. Thank you so much again. Thanks again. Or thank you for being so kind. You may write it and end it up. Now you need to write a dialogue. Ganesh has gone to Kolkata for the first time to attend a conference. He asked a stranger how to reach Shanti Durga College from the railway station. Write a dialogue between Ganesh and the stranger. So you may write in this way. You have to imagine yourself as Ganesh, okay? Or else you may, you imagine yourself as Ganesh. You are going to Kolkata and you don't know such much of the routes, okay? So Ganesh, excuse me sir, could you please tell me the route to Shanti Nagar, Shanti Durga College? Stranger, have you come to attend the conference? Ganesh, yes, it is 7 kilometers from here. You will have to take a taxi. Okay, I'll do that. How much will the taxi charge? It is only 100 rupees from here. Even if he asks for more, don't give him any. Sure, thank you so much for your help. Welcome, wish you all the best at the conference. So this is all about. I hope the video helps. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe, and do support to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.